What if one of the biggest developments for the Shiba Inu right now has almost nothing to do with the burn and a whale or a meme? Because today the Shiba is getting attention from the completely different direction, Japan. And here is one detail about this story that I think many Shiba holders are going to miss. Shiba Inu has been included among just 6 cryptocurrency connected to the newly registered Nomura-Backed digital asset operation in Japan. And the biggest question is, why could a major Japanese financial group put Shiba in that 6 coin group? Stay with me because near to the end I'll explain what I think is the most important part of this news and why the numbers of coins selected may actually matters more than the headlines itself. So let's start with what happened. Japan has just registered a laser digital Japan as crypto asset exchange operator, and this is a significant because Japan hasn't registered a new crypto exchange operator in roughly 4 years. So, and this is a significant because Japan hasn't registered. So let me repeat my word. The laser digital is a part of a Noruma digital asset business. And Noruma is one of the Japan first financial institution. So isn't a simple another small crypto platform adding Shiba in a trading platform or maybe a trading page? We are talking about a regulated financial infrastructure entering Japan crypto market, and years where Shiba enters the picture. The initial list contained only 6 assets: Bitcoin, Ethereum, SRP, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and now it's Shiba Inu. That is a surprising short list, and that is exactly why Shiba community is paying attention. And let's slow down for a second because I don't want to turn this into a fake or Nomura is buying Shiba story. But this is no evidence that Nomura is buying millions of dollars of Shiba. But this doesn't mean institutional investors are suddenly rushing into Shiba. But that's not what the news says. The initial purpose is more about providing a liquidity and a market support to exiting license the Japanese crypto business. So institutional digital asset services are expected to come later. So why should Shiba holders care about this? Because access and legitimacy matter. For years, Shiba Inu has carried the meme coin label, and that's still the part of its identity. But Shiba appears in regulated Japanese digital asset infrastructure alongside Bitcoin and Ethereum. It creates a different conversation. It doesn't make Shiba less risky, it doesn't guarantee a price increase, but it can increase a token visibility inside a major financial market. So now comes the unexpected part. Japan is not just another crypto market, but the country regulatory framework is known for being strict. So getting into that regulated infrastructure is much different story than simply being listed on offshore exchange. That's why the 6 asset list got attention. So there is another reason I'm watching it, because institutional access. But the initial service is focused on market infrastructure side. But the longer term plan include opportunity for institutional investors. And that doesn't mean institution money is coming into a Shiba tomorrow. But we don't know that. But it creates a potential pathway. And that is very different from simply having another meme coin listing. Now let's connect the Shiba to the chart. So Shiba is currently trading around 0.53 to 0.554 area, but there is a problem. A long term moving average is sitting around 0.574. So that means Shiba is approaching an area where seller could become more active, and this creates the tension in today's story. So because the fundamental headline sounds bullish, but the chart is saying not so fast. If Shiba can break through that resilience with strong volume, trader could start viewing into move differently. The Japan story could then become additional fuel for the market attention. Japan story. Okay, so but the Shiba gets rejected around that level. The Japan news may remain a long-term positive story rather than an immediate price catalyst. So that's a bearish scenario, and the crypto market can give you a great headline and still give you a red candle. Remember that a listing or regulatory development doesn't automatically create demand. At the end of the day, someone still has to buy the token. So here's how I see two possibilities. First, bullish scenario in simple. Japan regulated crypto infrastructure expand, or a laser digital build liquidity. An institution participation gradually increase, and Shiba remains the part of that ecosystem. And the broader crypto market is also bullish. The Shiba could benefit from increased attention and the access. But the bearish scenario is also very real. I will say this because market could simply ignore the news. Shiba could fail the resistance, Bitcoin could weaken, trader could take profit, and Shiba could fall even through Japan development itself are remaining opposite. So what I'm watching is the three things. First, that 0.574 resistance area. Second, Shiba trading volume. Third, whether Japan institutional crypto infrastructure actually develops into a real Shiba demand over the time. And now, now, here's a bonus insight that I promise you. Don't focus only on a passage of Noroma-Backed of Japan. Focus on the fact that Shiba is one of the six assets selected for the initial regulated setup. The Bitcoin and Ethereum being there isn't surprising, but SRP, BCH, and Litecoin is also established asset. But Shiba being included tell us something about the position in Japan regulated crypto market. So it doesn't prove a price explosion is coming, but it does not show that Shiba is being treated as an asset that can sit aside more formal digital asset framework. But and this is much more interesting story than another random meme on social media. But here's the bottom line. Shiba Inu has fresh Japan catalyst, and a Noroma-backed digital asset operation has received regulatory registration after 4 years now without a new Japan exchange registration. So Shiba is one of the six cryptocurrency on the initial list. Now the market has to decide what the information is worth, and if Shiba breaks resistance with the volume, this story could become much more interesting. And if it gets rejected, a patient may require. Either way, Japan just put Shiba in a very interesting position. And if you want a daily Shiba Inu breaking news, price analysis, whale activity, burns, exchange development, and biggest Shiba catalysts, make sure you subscribe and tell me in the comment, does Shiba deserve a play alongside these five major cryptocurrencies in Japan?